Good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Today is the 7th of April, the first weekly expiry of the month and the financial year. And the market, after opening a decent amount of gap down, some 100-point gap down, so it has been stuck in a range, which has led to a great वीगा डीके एंड टीटा डीके. सो दोनों का डीके मिलके आई हैव नॉट मेड एनी एडजस्टमेंट, मतलब बीच में मतलब थोड़ा अग्रेसिव पोजीशन लिया मैंने. दैट इज फ्रॉम 600 पुट्स आई हैव मूव टू 650 एंड फ्रॉम 850 कॉल्स टू आई हैव मूव टू 800. If you look at this, except this hedge, everything else is in green. So this is not a picture that you'd get to see quite often. So very rare that the market has not given any single small piece of trouble to the option seller. So till now the market has been extremely silent. So now if you look at the markets, it's forming a contraction pattern, a triangle pattern bol sakte hai, what the price action experts try to call it. And currently we are already up by around 9 points. We were up by almost 10 points, but because of some decay from these hedges, so we are down by 1 point. So currently we are up by 5 points. Sorry, we are up by almost 9 points. And this covered call, which I had made a video 2 days back, this covered call, which was giving me almost 30k loss, is now giving me 4,000 profit. तो फंडा क्लियर था कवर्ड कॉल का, कैसे रोल करना है, कैसे रिकवर करना है, कैसे उसको मैनेज करना है. तो दैट इज वाई मैं उसको क्लोज नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया. अभी भी मैं क्लोज नहीं करने वाला हूँ. आज शाम तक मतलब ये कहाँ पे एंड होगा होने दो. उस पॉइंट पे आके मैं नेक्स्ट वीक का ऑप्शन को रोल ओवर करूंगा. नाउ इस पॉइंट पे आके मैं पुट ऑप्शन को मैं शॉर्ट नहीं करने वाला हूँ. तो इसलिए मैंने उस वीडियो पे मैंने क्लियरली बताया था कि you will be shorting the put option on the day of expiry only when this is deep in the money. तब भी हम शॉर्ट करेंगे, वरना नहीं करने वाले हैं. तो अभी ये 16 रुपीज पे पहुंचेगा दिस ऑप्शन, तो I'll be risking it off to 17,600 put option, because the put options I feel that like are super cheap, because the market was factoring in some amount of bounce from the 17,700 levels, and that has happened. But now if it reaches 16, I'll be slowly risking off the put options to the lower strike. So that is the approach. Abhi matlab I won't try to get any adventurous and try to take additional credit on the 17,800 call. Yes, I might have to do that when I feel that there is absolutely no credit left in the 17,850 call. Only tab मैं मतलब जाके 17,800 call option पे बैठूंगा, or else like I'll be just risking it off once this reaches around 16 rupees. So that's the idea. Time is close to 11 o'clock and we are up by almost 10 points. 10 points काफी पहले ही up था, but because of the breakdown that the market just broke the day's low and then it fell another 30 points from the day's low, so the put options just expanded and there was a bit of an IV spike kind of a scenario, which led to some 3-4 point ka loss. So I from 65-66k mark to market I went to almost 45k. So around 3.5 points mark to market se erode ho gaya tha. But now that all my calls have been shifted to 17,750, because I'm thinking that 17,700 should be an expiry spot, and ये 17,700 which was acting as a support, because दो बार यहाँ पे support जैसे काम किया था. Look at this, the market took support here once and there was a rigorous buying at this level, and once this got taken out, so now this level should ideally act as a resistance. So जब तक ये level taken out नहीं होता है, till that point I'll be working with 17,750 call option. So I'll be looking at somewhere around 16 rupees for these options इसको shift करने के लिए. So I'll be waiting for 16 rupees on the 17,750 to risk them off. And time is 12:25 and the market never disappoints us with the volatility. So definitely the market broke the day's low and वहाँ पे sustain भी किया, and after that what we saw is a very strong 100-point up move, and that blew up the calls to almost all the calls almost doubled and tripled. So I was at 1.17,700 call पे भी मैंने बैठा था, and I had to quickly reverse my position, repair my position, and currently the mark to market is close to around again 10 points पे आ गए हम लोग. तो 10 points पे है हम लोग, and the idea is this will go away at 14 rupees. तो ये 14 टच होता है तो I'll be taking it away, and similarly ये 14 टच होता है तो I'll be taking it away. तो कोई भी ऑप्शन 14 रुपीज टच होता है तो आई विल बी एग्जिटिंग माई पोजिशन, बिकॉज अभी करेंटली 17,700 एंड 1,800 पे 100 पॉइंट्स ट्रायंगल पे बैठे हैं हम लोग. एंड yes, this can easily touch 14, तो कोई भी डाउट नहीं है, it can easily touch 14, but that's the extent up to which I can manage the risk, because ये 14 rupees पे पहुंचता है तो then I'll be getting 17,850 call at around 6 rupees, and at that point 17,700 put will be somewhere around 7 rupees, so I can still manage the position. तो 14 या मैक्सिमम 15 तक भी मैं वेट कर सकता हूँ इफ आई कैन सी दैट देयर इज एन इक्वल कॉम्पेंसेशन फ्रॉम द पुट साइड. So that's the approach. कोई भी 14 पर टच होता है तो I'll be exiting and I'll be shifting the position. तो इतना मतलब यहाँ पे डेज इस पॉइंट पे मैं 10 पॉइंट्स पे था, तो पहले मैं यहाँ से बाउंस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था एंड वहां से मेरा बुलिश पोजीशन को घाटा हो गया एंड आई मेड अ पोजीशन बेरिश एंड यहाँ पे फिर से बुलिश हो गया एंड इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट आफ्टर ऑल दिस ड्रामा आई एम स्टिल एट 10 पॉइंट्स प्रॉफिट. जो 10 पॉइंट्स में कलेक्ट किया था वही 10 पॉइंट्स के आसपास हूँ. ऑफकोर्स लाइक आई हैव इंक्रीज माई साइजिंग एट टाइम्स. थोड़ा साइजिंग 1000 क्वांटिटी मैंने बढ़ा दिया, 6000 क्वांटिटी से अभी 7000 क्वांटिटी पे है. जब तक ये रेंज के बीच रहेगा मार्केट, सो आई डोंट थिंक वी दिस पोजीशन नीड्स नो एडजस्टमेंट. इफ एट ऑल द रेंज गेट्स ब्रोकन एंड इफ द मार्केट स्टार्ट्स टू head in a particular direction, then I'll be taking the appropriate adjustment at that point. Time is 3:05. It's 5 minutes past averaging and just got bluffed all the sides. The stop losses just got hit left, right and center. So पूरे time just I was just managing the positions and totally got bluffed. So whatever the summary for the day is, इस point पे it was all right. इस point पे only up till the first 1.5 hour, 1 hour. So the market was very calm. We almost captured 10 points. DK almost 1% पे आसपास आ गए थे. And after that here the puts blew up. And after that the calls blew up. And इस point पे there was a call gamma spike. And after that there was a huge put side gamma spike. Like just to give you perspective, the kind of gamma spike the puts had. Look at this. This was the kind of movements the puts saw. Can you see this? Oh boy. The puts which were trading at 1 rupee 80 paise, they blew up to almost 31 rupees. So the puts blew up 15 times. So I was 17750 puts पे भी मैंने बैठा था, 17700 calls पे आया, 17650 calls पे आया था, and it's just everywhere, all the sides, like the stop losses just got hit. एक्स्ट्रा मतलब मैंने CTM पे मतलब जो भी मैंने एक्स्ट्रा क्रेडिट लेने के लिए आया, so because of which the stop losses just got triggered. So if you look at the strikes here, देखो the market is at 17650. The 17650 put option 86,000 loss, 17650 call option 53,000 loss, and 17750 put option 40,000 loss, and 17700 call option ये थोड़ा मतलब पैसा दिया है. Apart from that, whenever I've tried to take extra credit, considering because after looking at this phase of the market, you tend to think that okay, the market will stay within the day's high, day's low. So एक छोटा range पे मतलब हो सकता है, but that was absolutely not the case. And the problem with low premium environment is the reactivity is very high. तो बाद में बचेगा भी नहीं आपको, because look at this option, this 17650 put option, which was the 17650 put option, which went to almost 31. In a matter of no time, it came back to 20. Within 5 minutes, it's at 12 rupees, from 30 to 12. The option which was trading at 2 rupees, it made a high of 30, and in next 5 minutes, it's at 12 rupees. So it's almost impossible to capture all these moves. And I mean, can't help it. So another 1 rupee left in this option. So around 13 plus another 1 rupee is another 5-6k. So probably some 18-19k just charges cover होने के लिए मतलब होगा. So pretty flat expiry. I was almost up 12-13 points, almost 80k positive से मैं almost minus 20k गया. And this was the place. Look at this. This was the place. This was the place. I was almost risked off position पे था, and it just kept going up. There was absolutely nothing I could do on the put options, and the kind of put options I was sitting on, 17750 put option पे मैं बैठा था, so which I was shorting it at somewhere around 18-19 rupees. Look at this, 17750 put option. I was short 17750 put option at almost how much? Yeah, I was short at somewhere around 15, 16 rupees. So that made a high of 100 and plus 120 rupees. It made a high of 120. So yeah, one of those expiries where the stop loss has just got hit both the sides. Just happy that I'm closing this expiry at least above water. तो green पे close कर रहा हूँ, यही खुशी है. Because I was so close to the markets. I don't know how I managed to come out profitable. Because ये move में ना, from 17,780 levels to 17,620 levels, ये 160 point move पे already the puts were pricing in absolutely no downside. Put side का downside बिल्कुल था ही नहीं. And ऐसे situation पे मार्केट ने ऐसे मतलब नीचे के सर मूव दिखा दिया. And that was treacherous. See, one of those days where nothing whatever I did worked, because there would be other days where things work in your way, and today was not the day where things went in my way. And yeah, can't help it. Around 16 17k, another 50 paise here, so another around 20k for the day. So I'll be shorting some next week a call option 13th April, 98 rupees, 17,800, 17,900. So ideally 17 18,000 should be a decent support. So I'll be shorting this. So yeah, I've shorted this 17,800 ka call option for 98 rupees, which gives me around 100 rupees. So my break even is up to 17,900. So even if we reach 17,900, nothing to be worried about. So yeah, oh, one of those days where nothing worked in your favor. I hope you guys had a good expiry. I hope you guys didn't get stuck in any of the gamma moves. And yeah, I'll see you guys either tomorrow or in my next trading video. Bye bye.